Okay, hello. This is a new Cross Current X. We just assembled it in the garage and haven't ridden it at all, but it seems the battery has a loose connection. The plug doesn't seem stable, so, well, let's see. Go ahead and turn it on. Okay, and then if we hold the power button,
Nothing happened.
as you can see, nothing happens. But okay, let's give it a light tap. And now let's try to turn on again. Maybe you could tap a little bit more. Yeah, now you can see that it turned on. And now, okay, let's try tapping it in the other direction. And there you can see the connection failed and the bike turned off. Well, that's about it. Anything else?
No.
Oh, yeah, well, that's enough for this part. Yeah.
You need a light?
No, it
Looks
looks
good.
pretty good.
Mhm.
There's brand new and no corrosion or anything. Brand new.
And the mail?
And here's the other part. One thing I noticed is that these plugs don't stick out, I think, the same. It seems like maybe one is recessed a little bit. Maybe that's on purpose.
Not too sure.
Anything else?
That's it.
Okay.
That's all we know.
Alright. Here we can see that the lower right pin, it looks a little thicker, and I already commented earlier that it feels a little bit recessed. These two prongs don't seem to be sticking out the same amount. Okay, bye.